On a hill far away stood an old rugged cross, the emblem of suffering and shame. And I love that old cross, where the dearest of birds for gladly bear.